Medicaid can take your home inside of a revocable trust because a revocable trust does not give you asset protection from Medicaid. All it does is avoid the probate process. And so when you have a house inside of a revocable trust and you owe money back to Medicaid, this is how it's going to work. You have the property inside the trust. While you are alive, you are the trustee and the beneficiary. You have full control over the property inside the trust and full benefits. When you pass away, this is a triggering event. Your backup trustee will step into your role as trustee and continue management and distribution of the assets inside of that revocable trust. Now, their responsibility is to publicly notify any creditors that you have debts owed to that you have passed away. In this case, the creditors that you owe money to is going to be Medicaid. So Medicaid is going to come to your trustee of your revocable trust and let them know how much money you owe them. And so what they're going to do is sell off liquid assets, which would be things like investment accounts, stocks, etc., to pay off the debts that you owe to Medicaid. So they will take first liquid assets, which would be investments or checking and savings. Then, if you don't have enough liquid investments, they will force your trustee to sell off physical assets, which in this case could be the house that's inside of your revocable trust. And then they will sell that house, take the money from the proceeds of that sale, and pay off Medicaid. If you have any money left, they will be able to distribute the remaining money after they have paid off those debts out to your beneficiaries per the trust document. And so a revocable trust will not give you any asset protection from Medicaid coming back and taking your assets after you have passed away. If you want asset protection from Medicaid, you can put your assets inside of an irrevocable trust that will fully separate those assets from you as an individual, and those assets will now be in the estate of the irrevocable trust and no longer in your personal estate. That way, when Medicaid is coming after your estate after you have passed away, they will not be able to capture any of those assets because they are inside of the irrevocable trust. And then you could use that irrevocable trust to distribute those assets out to your beneficiaries after you have passed away. If you want help setting any of this up, click the link in the bio, fill out the form, and schedule a time to talk to someone on our team.